अस्सलामुअलैकुम। पहली तारीख 11वां महीना 2020 को कॉमर्स लेक्चरर का पेपर हुआ था। आज मैं आपके लिए ओरिजिनल कंप्लीट पेपर विद सॉल्यूशन लेकर हाजिर हूँ, जिसका सिलेबस 80-20 रूल्स के मुताबिक था। मतलब 80% प्रोफेशनल टेस्ट और 20% जनरल नॉलेज का टेस्ट लिया गया था। मैं देख रहा हूँ कि कुछ लोग पेपर का कुछ पार्ट 10 या 20 MCQs या जनरल नॉलेज के लिहाज से जो MCQs थे वो शेयर कर रहे हैं। मैं आपको कंप्लीट ओरिजिनल पेपर विद सॉल्यूशन आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ। एक ख़ास बात, पेपर हल करने के बाद क्वेश्चन पेपर वापस करना होता है। कुछ लोग पेपर अपने साथ ले जाते हैं, जिनको 1 साल के लिए PPSC नाअहल करार कर देते हैं। उसके बाद सीनियर एडिटर का भी पेपर होना है, उसका यही 80-20 रूल्स के मुताबिक सेम एज कॉमर्स लेक्चरर के मुताबिक होगा। चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 की जानिब। हो सकता है कि क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको लगे कि सही नहीं है, तो आप कमेंट में ज़रूर बता दीजिए। इससे पहले हमारी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल बटन को भी हिट कर दें, ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो आपको मिल सके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। अच्छा, हम पेपर जो है ना आपको दोनों साइड से शो हो रहा है, तो हम दोनों साइड से क्वेश्चन को पढ़ते जाएं ताकि जो है ना वीडियो छोटी बने। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इन द अकाउंट ऑफ अकाउंट होल्डर इज कॉल्ड डिपॉजिट. Check is always crossed by drawer. What is the purpose of bank slip? To pay money into a bank account. Which account is suitable for business community? Current account. The objective of central bank is welfare of public. The State Bank of Pakistan was inaugurated by Quaid-e-Azam. Dishonored check means check presented to the bank and refused for the payment. Commercial bank is a bank of public. Commercial bank creates the following, all of the above. On what type of bank account may a trader draw check? Current account. A trader with the bank current account wishes confirming account balance. The word bank has been derived from none of these. Question number 12. A trader with the bank current account wishes to make monthly payment for a trader journal. Which method of payment would be most suitable to use? Standing order. Which service is not suitable? Which service is not available to bank? Customer through ATM. Withdrawing cash. What is current account at a commercial bank? An account for daily transaction. ABC Corporation is a large manufacturing company. It needs immediate finance as it is having cash flow problem, which sources for ABC Corporation overdraft. What is the meaning of the term limited liability? Shareholder can lose only the value of their investment. Using credit means the customer use of goods but pay later. A company raises finance by issuing debenture. The debenture holder entitled to repayment before shareholder if the company goes into liquidation. If customer wishes to buy a laptop computer on credit, which form of credit will ensure the laptop computer become the customer property immediately? Credit card. A company raises finance by issuing debenture to debenture holder entitled to repayment before shareholder if the company goes into liquidation. Telephone banking is used by customers who do not wish to visit their bank in person. Which service can customer receive through telephone banking? इसका शुरू में आंसर है कन्फर्मिंग अकाउंट बैलेंस. कॉल के ज़रिए मतलब घर बैठकर वो अपने अकाउंट का बैलेंस कंफर्म कर सकता है. ओनली इधर जो ऑप्शन है उसमें ये परफेक्ट है. अच्छा जी, अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कंप्राइजेज ऑफ, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है ऑफर प्लस एक्सेप्टेंस. एन एग्रीमेंट इज़ वाइड एब इनिशियो इज़ कॉल्ड वाइड एग्रीमेंट. अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ इंश्योरेंस इज़ अ कॉन्टीजेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. इंश्योरेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वो होता है जिसमें किसी एक का नुकसान होता है तो फिर उसका अजाला किया जाता है। तो फिर कॉन्टीजेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जिसमें एक पार्टी का नुकसान होता है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन ऑफर, इन्विटेशन और एडवर्टाइजमेंट? आंसर सी। Quantum merit means none of these. Specific offer can be accepted by the person to whom offer is made, जिसको ऑफर दी गई है। Each party to a contract is both promisor and promisee in case of reciprocal promise. An agreement without consideration is void. Income Tax Ordinance 2001 was promulgated on 1st July 2002. Consideration must move from promisee. Normal tax year starts from 1st July each year. Incapacity of contract may be due to minority, मतलब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में इनकैपेसिटी होगी, मतलब वो फुलफिल नहीं कर सकता अगर वो माइनर है। इनकम फ्रॉम प्रॉपर्टी इज टैक्सेबल अंडर NTR. A person shall be resident if he spent the following days in Pakistan. अगर वो 183 दिन पाकिस्तान में गुजारता है तो वो पाकिस्तान का रेजिडेंट कहलाता है। रेवेन्यू कैन बी डिफाइंड एज, इसका आंसर ए है, इकोनॉमिक रिसोर्सेज ओन्ड बाय द एंटिटी दैट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू प्रोवाइड बेनिफिट। बेंचमार्किंग रेट फॉर लोन गिवन बाय एम्प्लॉयर टू एम्प्लॉय फॉर टैक्स ईयर 2011, ये मेरे ख्याल से 11% है। The objectivity principle required that, answer C, accounts record in the financial statement must be based on independently variable evidence. Question number 7 is, employer contribution in case of government provident fund is exempt up to 10% of basic salary. A liability in the amount of 500 in paid in cash, which of the following is true? Asset decrease and liability decrease. Income tax appellate tribunal is appointed by federal government. An owner withdraw 300 each business, which of the following is true? An asset is decreased and owner equity is decreased. There can be no loss under the head income from salary में कोई loss नहीं होता। Question number 43. An owner withdraw Rs 300 each business, which of the following are true? An asset is decreased and owner equity is decreased. Question number 44. An expense is incurred that will be paid for the next month. Which of the following is true? Answer B. An asset is increased and a liability is increased. The revenue recognition principle states that, क्वेश्चन नंबर 48 का आंसर कंफर्म नहीं है, अगर किसी आप में से किसी को पता है वो बता दें। A customer is billed for service rendered. Which of the following is true? D. There is no effect on any asset, liability or owner equity. A company purchased first year income insurance policy on June 1st for 720. The entire amount was debited to prepared insurance at the time at December 31 year end. The proper adjusting entry would include the credit to prepaid insurance for 420. The amount due from a customer who was billed last month is collected. C. One asset is increased and other asset is decreased. A company collected first year rent in advance on 1st October. The entire amount 1200 was credited to unearned revenue. The proper adjusting entry at December 31st. The year end would to be include B. A debit to unearned revenue for 300. Which of the following inventory cost method is most appropriate for a merchandise inventory with a relatively small number of unique items and a high speed cost per item? Specific identification. C. The time period over which an intangible asset should be amortized is A. Its estimated useful life. The inventory method that assigns that most recent cost to cost of goods sold is LIFO. An advantage of a partnership form of business organization is ease of
formation. The partnership liquidation occur when C. The assets are not liability paid and business operation terminated. In a period of rising prices, the inventory method that results in high net income is LIFO. The lower of cost or market rule for inventory is justified by conservative principle. When a limited partnership is formed, the partnership activities are limited. Which of the following is not a right posed by the common stakeholder of a corporation? A. The right to vote in the election of the board of directors. Which of the following is an example of capital expenditure? B. Cost of replacing light bulb in the factory. Question number 81. Our corporation issued 2000 shares of common stock for 32,000. The stock has a state value of 10 per share. The journal entry to record the stock insurance would include to credit to common stock for A. 20,000. The par value per share of common stock requires A. The minimum selling price of the stock established by the article of incorporation. If preferred stock has divided in errors, the preferred stock must be cumulative. Which of the following is not classified as paid in capital on the balance sheet? Donated capital. When a stock subscription at a price above par, it is recorded. Which of the following accounts would be credited? A. Common stock. An appropriation of retained earning. Decrease total retained earning. C is answer. When common stock is issued in exchange for a non-cash asset, the transaction would be recorded at C. The fair value of the asset acquired. Which of the following increase cash? C. Borrowing money by issuing a 6-month note payable. How is treasury stock shown in the balance sheet? B. As a decrease in a stockholder equity.